What insights will you get if you integrate Google Analytics with your website? Will it really help you in making your website better? So, how does Google Analytics work? Let me tell you how it actually works. You are a website owner. You have a website. You want your website to be integrated with Google Analytics. What do? The first and foremost thing you need to do is you need to create a Gmail account. Most of us today have a Gmail account. Once we have a Gmail account, we log in to analytics.google.com. In analytics, we put all the information about our website. What is our website about? What is the purpose of our website? Which country do we reside? And so on. And then we tell Google to create an analytics code for us. So what Google does, it creates GATC, a Google Analytics tracking code. It is a JavaScript code that needs to be inserted on every page of your website. In the header section of every page of your website, you need to insert this JavaScript code. Once you have done this with all the pages of your website is now integrated with Google Analytics. Please note that if you miss inserting the JavaScript code on any page, that page will not be tracked by Google Analytics. So now your website is ready and integrated with Google Analytics. Assume there is a visitor to your website. He is using a browser on his desktop and is viewing your website. As soon as he opens a page of your website, and if that page has the JavaScript code of Google Analytics, the code will ensure that a cookie is dropped in the browser of your visitor. Once the cookie is dropped, the cookie then tracks the user and all the activities of the user on your website. All this data that the cookie tracks is communicated back to the Google Analytics server. You will have many such users all around the world. There is a cookie that has been dropped in the browser of every visitor of your website. All the cookies collect the data and send it to the Google Analytics server. At the back end of Google Analytics, the entire data of your website is processed and it is consolidated. When you, the owner of the website, logs into your Google Analytics account, you are presented the consolidated view with the insights. You are getting all the data that the cookies all around the world have collected, and Google Analytics has consolidated it for you. This is how Google Analytics works. Sitting in your home, Google Analytics cookies are fetching information about the audience of your website and presenting it to you in a consolidated and a holistic manner.